It's like nothing even fucking happened.
Here you go. The garden boxes.
Don't want to be the one, eh?
You know the rules. Just gotta be meaner.
Yeah, I know the rules, all right. I get the rules, but I've been waiting.
Booms, you'll get your turn.
All right, ladies, all good? Off to lunch?
Hey, I've got a job for you. Follow Maxine. Hey, Red. What's going on?
Frankie had Maxine totally sussed, eh?
I could have got you a shift. All you had to do was ask.
You're going to try and stick that in Frankie, were you? Huh? You're fucked!
Let's go talk.
I don't think so.
Yeah, copy that.
Screws.
I'm gonna see you after lunch.
Is everything all right here, ladies?
Yeah, good. Very good.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah. See you, Red.
Wait up.
Something's building.
Over there, taking bets.
Ah, 8 says it's Frankie.
Yeah, well, I'll have it.
What's the wager, ladies?
No wager, Mr. Jackson.
Betting's against regulations, Pearson.
Yeah, not betting.
What's that then?
Cigarettes?
Well, I suggest you pick them up before I confiscate them.
Okay.
What? There she is. Saunders. I'm going to enjoy watching you turn back into a man.
Well, I would have anyway with the stuff you were giving me. What was it, chalk dust?
Yeah.
Frankie was trying
It
to
was.
help you, you fucking man.
Oh, darling, this one doesn't care about anyone.
You know what? Why don't you leave this to the real women? It's between me and Bea. Now, if you get involved in any way, your tits won't have a chance to drop naturally. I'll cut them off.
I'm terrified.
You should be.
Hello, Mr. Fletcher.
Hey, Miss Waller.
How's your last day going?
Going?
No good. Sad to leave us, I bet.
Yeah. I think I'm really gonna miss the place. It's funny, that.
Anyone in particular? Well, I'm really going to miss having you around to make me feel safe. I've got something for you. A goodbye present.
I can't accept gifts.
Rules.
Yeah, rules.
Well, maybe you can give me something. A mint?
Oh, a mint.
Yeah. What do you think I was saying? I'm going to go clean the showers.
Yeah, roger that.
By all means, feel free to give Mr. Fletcher a send-off. Just do not do it here. That would be highly irregular. How is Jenkins settled back in?
I think everything's okay. No trouble as far as I know.
Keep me updated, yes?
Will do, Governor.
Thank you.
Sierra 1 to Sierra 6.
Sierra 6.
H4 is clear. You can return the women to their unit.
Copy that, Sierra 1.
What's it say? What? Yeah. No, I can't.
Yeah.
No, I can't.
What?
I can't do this.
What? What's wrong?
Carol, I'm sorry. It's not right.
What's wrong?
This is wrong. Where's my SWAT card?
What?
The SWAT card. The fuck is it I had when I came in? What the fuck's going on? Where's the fucking card? You haven't got it, have you?
No?
Oh, fuck. Give it to me.
I don't have it.
What is this? Was this some kind of setup? Why? What is all this? Fucking just give me my card back. Give me my fuck. Give me my fucking card. You set me up, you fucking slut. Now give it to me.
You're hurting me, Mr. Fletcher.
Give me my fucking SWAT card. Give it to me. Fuck! No!
Are you okay? Mr. Fletcher?
Sierra 5, this is Sierra 7. Do you copy?
Just say you lost it. It must happen all the time.
Sierra 5, do you copy?
You need help, Mr. Fletcher.
Sierra 5, do you copy?
What have you done?
I don't think you're in a position to ask.
Sierra 5.
Thanks.
Copy.
He's fucked up.
she shouldn't have to. Well, I shouldn't because I'm old now. Yeah, she shouldn't do all.
Hey, Mr. Bacula, could you open the chemicals cupboard for me, please? Reckon you're gonna need bolt cutters to get in there, eh?
No fighting while I'm away, ladies.
You are so fucked now! Fucking tell them. It's Bea's! She won. Fucking walk.
Bea, come on, stay with me. Come on.
You think she's stable enough for transit?
She's coming in and out, but she'll be fine. Yeah, she was prepared for it.
Governor, the ambulance is here.
You go with her.
Okay.
Note her wrists. Regulation.
Hey, the ambulance is here, Bea. We're going to take you to the hospital, okay? Let's go.
Pulse is 90/40. It's weapons ready.
GCS
Let's see your medical file. No, they're defensive wounds. It was a fight.
Call up to surgery. I want her in there right now.
I need a central venous line.
Here.
It's from the mailroom.
I want a full order to the mailroom. Find out how they got in there.
Of course.
Why was Kelly Bryant sent to isolation?
What? Governor's orders.
I'm staying back until Will gets back from hospital.
I thought you couldn't wait to get out of here.
I could do with the overtime.
Surgery went well, but I'd like to keep her here under observation for a while. There's an abnormally high blood clotting factor I'd like to investigate further.
But she will be okay.
Oh, yes. It's probably what saved her life.
Thanks, Doc. You're in the hospital. You're okay.
So, Frankie got you pretty good, eh? Not talking?
Well, you can't blame me for trying. Glad you're okay.
I'm so thirsty. I'd love a lemonade.
I'll see what I can do.
I need medical attention.
You're not dying. First, you tell me what happened.
Your crazy bitch came at me with a pair of prison-issue box cutters. Now I wonder where she got those from.
Well, you tell me. It was your weapon. And you're going to answer for it. Attempted murder. Unless, of course, she dies.
I've got about 6 witnesses to say those injuries were self-inflicted.
Nice try.
You know what? She could have cut me right there. And she didn't. Got a knife. Bang. Right up there. She did it to herself.
G'day, you've reached Will Jackson. Please leave a message.
Governor?
Are you with Smith?
No, I'm just outside the ward.
Get back to her now. Those injuries were self-inflicted.
What?
Do not leave her side. You understand me?
Oh, shit. Where is she? The patient.
What's the situation?
I'm waiting to give a statement. Look, we've turned this hospital upside down. She's not here.
Well, of course she's not there. Smith escaped on your watch, so you better find her.
Well, how am I supposed to do that?
That's your problem, but don't show your face till it's done. She didn't plan this alone. She had help.
Does it look like I was helping?
You wanted her gone.
Yeah, I'm glad to see the back of the bitch, but I didn't help her.
You're lying.
I'm not, I swear.
Who helped her?
I don't know.
How long has she been planning it?
Well, you're closer to her than I am.
Where's she headed?
I don't know.
Excuse me.
Get out! Get out of my office! Now! The last thing she deserves is your loyalty. You were nothing to her. I mean, you were a joke. She humiliated you in front of all those women.
It wasn't a fair fight.
She used you and you played right into her hands.
Snap. Phone records.
Get out.
I've checked the audio files. Smith sent Birdsworth a package. He must know something.
Well, get me the recordings. And check if anything's turned up on CCTV.
That shit'll kill you.
Bea,
Come on, let's get inside.
Jesus Christ. What are you doing?
Police been here?
No. How the hell did you get out?
Doesn't matter now. Did you get that package?
You're going after Braden.
You opened it.
How could you drag me into this? I'm on parole. If anyone finds out I've helped...
They won't find out because you're not going to tell them.
Have you actually thought it through, Bea? Made it suicide.
Liz, where's the gun?
I got rid of it.
Bullshit.
You don't even know how to use it. You're a hairdresser, for God's sake. Think about what you're doing. Bea, please. Oh, love. Bea. I'm begging you. Don't do this. Please.
Sorry.
Oh, Bea. Oh, no, Bea. He's mate. Bea. Shit, it's the cops. No, you can get out. That one.
What the fuck? Who the fuck are you? Bitch, get out of here! What are you doing here?
I was never here. All right? All right?
Is Birdsworth, this is the police.
Can I help you?
So she's not made any contact with you this morning?
I can't believe she's out.
Answer the question.
No, I haven't heard from her.
Well, she asked you to receive a package. Where is it?
Sorry?
The package. Oh, we've got a recording of your phone conversation.
Oh, yeah, no, she just wanted to send me some magazines. There's no way she'd come here. She's too smart for that.
Any idea where she might go?
No.
What's this?
Oh, that's a steak knife, love.
What's it doing here?
Waiting for a steak.
I wanna tell you about some of my bad luck. One day, baby. You be all alone.
This is so nice.
It's one of Mum's. They gave me your old records.
Oh, nothing. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Oh, yes,
Don't fucking move.
What's going on?
Carly, shut up.
Braden, she's got a gun.
You get out.
Braden, what's going on?
Just get out now. Go.
Please,
Oh,
don't
just get
do
down
this.
on your knees.
Do you want money? I
No,
can
I
get you
don't
money.
want your fucking money. Just get down on your knees. Shh. All right? Everything's okay. I just want to talk, all right? All right? All right. See, I want to know why you killed my daughter.
Please, just let me
No,
tell you
just answer the question. Tell me why you did it.
I never wanted to hurt Debbie. You have to believe me. She wanted it.
What, she wanted to die?
She wanted to forget. She loved you. She hated being away from you. When she was out of it, it didn't matter.
Bullshit. No. No! You are going to tell me why you did it.
Mum made me do it. I didn't have a choice.
Yeah,
She's the reason Debbie's
you
dead,
had a
not
choice,
me.
we all.
I only did what I was told.
Yeah, well, why didn't you say no? Why didn't you say no?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
You put the fucking needle in her arm and you don't know.
I'm fucked, you know? It's because I'm fucked. Please, if I could go back, I wouldn't have done it. I wish none of it happened.
Stop
Please,
crying.
please.
Shh, stop crying.
I love Debbie.
Shut the fuck up! Is that the shit you gave Deb? Is it? All right, you're gonna put it in your arm. Okay, you're gonna mix it up and you're gonna put her on. Because I want you to know what it felt like for her. I'll blow your fucking head off. Hurry up. Use more. All of it. Come on. Just stop talking and do it.
Please, I can't.
Do it.
I can't do it.
Or I will shoot you.
You have to shoot me.
I will. I'll do it.
Bea. Bea. Don't put it down. Put it down. pull that trigger and you'll be inside for the rest of your life. Do you want that?
Go away.
Is that what you want?
No!
Don't do it, Brie. Put it down. Okay, Debbie wouldn't want this. She'd stop you. You know that. Please. Lower the gun. Bea, this isn't you. Come on, lower the gun. Lower the gun, please. This isn't you, Bea. I want you to let Braden walk out of here, okay? Come, Bea. Good. Good. Braden. Get up slowly and walk out.
Control foot traffic and media. Want the area cordoned off.
Okay, we've got a team out the back. Whole place is covered.
Okay, we've got the place surrounded.
Okay.
The cops are here. Let's go downstairs. Bea? Bea? Stand up. Come on, let's go.
Will, it's me again. Listen, you need to pick up your phone, mate, okay? I'm just leaving your place. I need to talk to you. It's important.
Move back.
Lockdown.
Yeah, we got blokes around the back just in case.
This is the police. Come out slowly with your hands up. Put your hands up. Gun! 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 Put the gun down and get down on the ground.
It's okay. It's okay. Just do what they say.
Both of you! Down on the ground!
Look, I'm Will Jackson. I'm a corrections officer.
Get on your stomach now!
I'm a corrections officer from Wentworth.
Hands behind your heads!
Kidding me?
Go!
What the fuck? Get off me! Let go of me, okay? I was trying to help you.
Bea Smith, you're under arrest for escaping. Will Jackson, you're under arrest for aiding and abetting an escaped criminal.
Just let me explain, okay?
Take him away, caution him.
Secure the premises. Find Braden Holt. Sir, we found Braden Holt.
Earlier today, at the scene of a fatal shooting in a Clayton panel beating workshop, where escaped fugitive Bea Smith has just been taken into custody by police. The deceased is believed to be business owner Braden Holt, son of former crime matriarch Jax Holt, and underworld figure Vinnie Holt. An unnamed corrections officer was also arrested at the scene.
Why is Mr. Jackson being
With
arrested?
the escaped prisoner. Bea Smith escaped custody from a Melbourne hospital yesterday evening, where she was being treated following an incident at Wentworth Prison. It's now believed she used the incident to inflict savage wounds on herself in order to stage the daring escape. Tonight, Bea Smith is to be returned to Wentworth Correctional Centre. In other news, the 2 a.m. lockout has been enforced in all major cities in an attempt to get violence off the streets. The ruling was put into place after the rapid death of a teen who was prosecuted at a nightclub in the early hours of Friday morning. In other news, the Mighty Bears have defeated the Thunders in a...
Shout me a drink first.
the prisoner to isolation?
No. Process her and put her back in H2. I'm sure Frankie will be pleased to see her.
Freak.
You know the routine.
Welcome back.
This is Queen Bee. She's a top dog now. Has anyone got a problem with that?
They're all yours.
The devil and he's in my head. Yeah, the devil and he's in my head. Yeah, the devil and he's in my head. Yeah, the devil and he's in my bed. Yeah, the devil and he's in my bed. Yeah, the devil and he's in my bed.